What up, YouTube? It's the Stock Guru coming at you guys again. I'm just going to be going over a trade I made today. Hopefully, you guys can learn a little something from it. If you want to check out the actual chart, it's going to be January 22nd, 2018, Monday. So, yeah, let's just jump right into it. Hopefully, you guys can learn something from this today and take something away. So, I was watching LTBR pre market because it was gapping up here, and the way that it was just kind of going strong all morning, it reminded me of FORD on Friday. So I kind of wanted to play it the same way. Here, let me pull it up real quick. Okay. All right, yeah, here we go. So it was gapping up all morning, and it never really got rejected, or I mean, it came back down, but it was just strong going into the open. Really, that's what the main thing is. It was strong going into open, and I remember I had this pop up, like we see a lot on these stocks in the mornings, and it came back down, found some support here, and then it had its real run, and just how it was going into the opening of the market so strong, just like LTBR, I figured it would probably play out the same way. So right at open, I decided not to buy here when it was going up. I saw the volume coming in, and I just knew that it wouldn't really hold these levels long, so I figured I should wait for the pullback, and that's exactly what I did. Yeah, you see, it pulled back here to the 240 area, so it found support. I gave it some time to really to confirm that was support here. So it bounced a few times, and now if you look here, let me zoom in a bit more. If you look though, you can see the SMA and the VWAP converging here and just getting so tight and coming back down to the SMA is coming back down to the candlesticks, and really that's what I was looking for here, because I figured it would retest the highs, the high of day here. I figured it had to, because it was just had some hype on the news. It was I think it was a patent approval, something like that. Yeah, I think it was a patent approval. So I knew it still had some volume coming. It had like the most volume out of the stocks I was looking at. So I knew it was gonna really retest this. So I waited for this support to be confirmed, and I saw that the SMA was approaching the candlesticks. So I figured I should get in. I think I got in at like 242 here, or maybe it was. I think it might have been right here actually. Got in at like 242 on this stick, on this candlestick, and I wrote it up over for the break of 250. So I got in early. I was ahead of the game. What I did, it's not like I was buying at the half dollar break. I wanted to get in early, so I was in at like 242, I think. And I ended up riding up for this, and around here, it started to bounce around on this candlestick. It was coming around. It hit like 280. It started coming back down, and knowing that it could just tap the um, I'm sorry, knowing that it could just tap the earlier highs and come back down, that shook me up a bit. Seeing how it didn't blast through when I was watching it anyway. By the second, of course, we're seeing hindsight here, but second by second, it was kind of hit 280, coming back down. It wasn't, it didn't actually look that strong, but I saw the volume coming in, so I was able to get in for this, and just being that it was the highs right here, I ended up getting out at like 268, I believe, do something like this, just because I was seeing that there could be some resistance here. I didn't even want to bother with it. I was already up, so I figured take my profits and run. And then of course it ends up popping up more, so I should have held and could have held into the threes and made a couple hundred more dollars. But we'll get that one the next time. You know what I mean? But yeah, that was my trade for the day. I was really all about patience here today. Had to wait for the support to be confirmed. We didn't want to go for a little false pop, something so minor like that. It always happens at the beginning of the day. I waited for my confirmation, had to be patient with it, waited for the volume to come back in, and for the confirmation above SMA, and then, I mean, I could have wrote it farther. I was probably a little too quick to take profits today, but you know, you never want to be greedy. I don't want to be up and then end up being down. So I got in with 500 shares today, and let's see, I think I was in at like 242, something like that. We got it at like 268. So that's about 10% profit there today, which is not bad at all. Can't complain. And for everybody that might say, "Oh, he's lying" or whatever, I'll go ahead and pull up my P&L for the day. So here we go. You can see I got in 500 shares at 242, and then sold it all at 268. 2 minutes later. So that's over $100 in 3 minutes, 2 minutes. So I mean, that's pretty good. You know, I can't complain about that. I hope you guys could take something away from this video, and hopefully you guys can be making some profits like this too. You know, it's nothing crazy, but you know, it's not bad. Nothing I can complain about. So let me know if you guys are having some success, if this video helps you out, and I'll be coming back to you guys again. So until next time.